Last night, while the world was quiet and your eyes were closed, something entered your dream, not a random image, not your imagination running wild. Your guardian angel, and they didn't come casually. They came with urgency. They came with a message so important, so time sensitive, that they couldn't wait for you to be awake to deliver it. Have you been waking up lately feeling unsettled? Like something deep inside you is trying to tell you something, but you cannot quite hear it clearly? That feeling, that restlessness in your spirit when you wake up. That is the echo of your angel's visit. Today I am going to decode exactly what your guardian angel said to you in that dream. 4 urgent messages delivered from the spiritual realm directly into your waking life. Stay with me until the very end because the last message it will change everything. In your dream, your angel stood before you in blinding white light, and the very first thing they said was not gentle, it was not soft, it was urgent. You need to leave that situation and you need to do it now. You know exactly what situation I am talking about. That job that is slowly draining your soul. That relationship that has been stealing your peace for years. That environment that keeps pulling you back every time you try to move forward. That habit, that place, that version of yourself you have been holding on to even though it stopped serving you long ago. Your angel didn't come to judge you for staying. They came because they can see something you cannot. They can see what is waiting for you on the other side of that decision. And it is so good, so beyond what you have allowed yourself to imagine, that they couldn't stay silent any longer. The new thing God has for you, it cannot enter while you are still holding the old thing with both hands. Your angel is saying today, let go. Not tomorrow, not when you feel ready, now. The door to your next chapter is already open, but you have to walk away from the current one to reach it. The second message your angel delivered in your dream, this one sent chills through your entire body when you heard it. They leaned close and whispered, someone in your circle is not who they appear to be. This is not about fear. This is not about. Your angel didn't come to make you suspicious of everyone around you. They came to activate your discernment. Because there is someone, maybe someone you trust deeply, who has been smiling to your face while working against you behind your back. Someone whose energy drains you every time you are around them. Someone whose words sound supportive but something in your spirit has never fully settled around them. That is your angel speaking to you. Proverbs chapter 4 verses 23 says, above all else guard your heart, for everything you do flows from it. Your angel is guarding your heart today. They are revealing this is to you, not to hurt you, but to protect you, because what this person was planning to do, your angel just cancelled it. You are protected, you are covered, and now you are aware. Third message is, this one is going to fill your heart with so much hope. In your dream, your angel took your hand and they showed you something. They showed you your future, not the struggling version of you. not a version of you that is stressed and tired and wondering if things will ever change. They showed you the version of you that made it through. The version of you standing in abundance, in peace, in purpose, surrounded by the people you love, with no financial stress, no fear, no lack. And your angel said, "This is real. This is already decided. You just have to keep going." Now, this last message, I need you to take a deep breath before I share it, because this one is deeply personal. In your dream, after your angel delivered the first 3 messages, something else happened. Someone else appeared, a face you recognize, a presence you have missed. Someone who left this earth but never truly left your heart. A parent, a grandparent, a friend, a child, someone whose absence has left a hole in your life that nothing has been able to fill. They didn't speak many words in your dream, they didn't need to. But what they showed you was a smile, a peaceful, radiant, completely at rest smile. And through your angel, they send you this message today. I am okay, I am more than okay, and I am so proud of you. They can see you from where they are. They see your struggle, they see your strength, they see the tears you cry when no one is watching. And they want you to know they are not gone. They are just in a different room. A room filled with more light and more peace than anything this world could offer. Until that day, your loved one is heaven is watching over you. Before you sleep tonight, your angel has one final urgent message. Pay attention to your dreams this week. Your angel is not done speaking to you. What started last night continues. The universe is opening a channel of communication between heaven and your spirit, and it happens most powerfully when your conscious mind is quiet and your spirit is open. Before you sleep tonight, do this. Say out loud, Guardian Angel, I am open. I am listening. Show me what I need to see. Protect me through the night and let me wake up with clarity, with peace, and with purpose. Then close your eyes and trust, because your angel, the one assigned to you before you were even born, is standing at your bedside right now. They are not leaving. They are not done with you. And the messages they have been delivering in your dreams, in your gut feelings, in the signs you keep seeing, they all point to the same thing. Your best days are not behind you. They are coming, rushing toward you, faster than you think. Your angel made sure you hear that today. Now go share this with someone who needs their angel to speak to them tonight. Sweet dreams, heaven is watching over you.